Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to set up Google Analytics on a WordPress website using Google Sitekit. Also bonus part we will see how to set up Google speed testing and the Google AdSense for monetization. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and go to plugins, click add new plugin. So in the search bar, search for Google Sitekit. Okay, this is the plugin, Google Sitekit by Google Analytics Search Console AdSense and Speed by Google. So click install now, then click activate. Okay, once the installation and activation is done, it will ask start setup. So let's click start setup. Okay, now the setup for the Google Analytics. So it will ask you to connect Google Analytics as a part of your setup. So click the tick box and also click this privacy policy. Now click sign in with Google. Okay, it will redirect you to the Google sign in page. So sign in with your Google account. Okay, now click continue. Okay, now it will ask you to verify your website ownership. So my website is Lanka Health Tamil. I'll show you the website. So this is the website. I'm going to install the Google AdSense. So come back. It will ask you to verify the ownership. So click this verify. Turn on matrix on your dashboard. Click allow and set up search console. So click setup. So now it set up the Google Analytics as well as the search control. So now set up the Google Analytics. Click next. Okay, now it's connecting to the Google Analytics. So please select the account information below. You can change this later in your settings. So click down. So here you can set like a new account. So this is a new website I'm going to connect. So I have inserted my account details, like, so you can change the country according to your country and click create account. Again, it will redirect you to sign in with the Google account. So click that. So click continue. Okay, now it is connecting with the Google Analytics. So you have to accept the terms of service. So click that. Also Google products and services. So click I accept. So here also you have to accept this. So after accepting all the terms and conditions, click accept. Okay, now Sitekit, your analytics account was successfully created. Go to my dashboard. So click this. Now you can see it is gathering data of your audience. So congrats on completing the setup for analytics. Connect more services to see stats. Go to settings. So click go to settings. So here you can see the connected services. That search control is connected, Google Analytics is connected, PageSpeed Insights it's connected. So if you want to check the PageSpeed Insights, click this arrow, click this visit the dashboard. As it is first time loading, it will take some time, so wait for that. Okay, you can see the largest contentful pane is very poor, total blocking time is very poor. So when you click how to improve, you can see you can improve by many ways, like serve static assets, eliminate render blocking resources, reduce unused CSS, reduce unused JavaScript. So those kind of things you can easily customize by installing WP Rocket plugin. So I have created another tutorial how to install and set up the WP Rocket plugin. You can see once you do the setup, you can speed up your website. So here also you can see Sitekit settings. So these three services already set up, connected, and click connect more services. Here you can see you can set up AdSense and also tag manager. So let's set up AdSense account. So click this setup AdSense. Again, choose the account to set up. So my account, I'm clicking, click continue. Okay, now add this site to your AdSense account. So click it add site to AdSense. So already I have added 2 sites, but those are in review status. So keep in mind, when you add your website to the AdSense, it is not immediately accept your website to the Google AdSense monetization. You need to have a fair amount of views per month. So after that only Google accept your monetization. Till that it will be in the review stage. So click new site. So put your website name. So click this save. Okay, without www or http, you can save this. So now, so your site needs review. So verify site ownership. So for that you have to allow the Sitekit by Google will connect your site to AdSense. So click this box, click next, and ask request review. So click request review. Okay, review is requested. Once a Google review your website, your website having fair amount of visitors per month, then the Google approve your website for AdSense. Till that you have to wait. So let's come back. Go to settings and you can see search control connected, analytics okay, PageSpeed Insights connected. So let's go to the dashboard. So in the dashboard, you can see Search Console and Analytics are gathering data. It can take up to 72 hours before start show up your site. So it will take around 72 hours to gather all the data and display. Till that you have to wait. So this is how you can easily set up your website with the Google Analytics, Google Search Console, Google Speed and the Google AdSense. So please subscribe our channel and stay with us. Thank you.